if you have a business in online selling, so if you have like this, your materials is damaged because of rain, always rain this summer, so you can use it by burning for your barbecue or your cooking dish. So there's no chance to assemble again this or restore this hanging cabinet because of so I make by piece. I take the screw. See? So instead throwing in the garbage, I will use this for cooking, from rice to dishes, any boiling beef, ribs, pork, fish. So this is only, you can save your money. This is my tips to you. If your materials in carpentry for your project in online selling, instead throw it to the bin or garbage bin or your garbage, you can use it after you dry it, and then you burn it for winter or summer. You can use that for cooking. That's only I advise to you, just to save your money. Instead buy a propane tank, or you buy you use your range in your inside your house, or buy a hoods from 7-Eleven and charcoal for your barbecue. So that's only I recommend to you. If you buy excess materials, either you buy or not you buy, you can use this for your cooking any season. So I dismantle this. I take only the screws for my other projects for this 2025 collection of tables. So for now, I dismantle. So it's a broken piece and the woods is weak and no chance to make a project for this. And the other liner is damaged. So see, I take the screws because I use that for my other project. Instead like this, see, if you see this damage, this is only for cooking. You use this for here. You use this for my cooking. This cooking, this wheelbarrow, and this is my cardboards for cooking. So I use this if I'm cooking barbecue or cooking something boiling. So you can save your money. This is only my tips to you based on my experience and knowledge. Instead throw in the garbage. That's only I can recommend to you. You can use it also after you dry. Okay, so for now, this is only a tip to you. I hope you like it, this video tips for amazing tips to you. Instead you buying something propane for your barbecue grill. Okay, so no need. You can dry it. After you dry, same like this wood. See, use that for winter or summer. Okay, almost nothing. See, okay, so still you can save after you dry because of the rain. Okay, rain the whole day today, so no chance to make restoring your project. Then you save it until the paint is damaged, the wood is weak, Okay, so that's all I recommend to you. So subscribe for other materials or other platform for my YouTube channel. So this is I recommend to you just to subscribe and click the notification bell for upcoming latest video for now about how to save your money instead you throw this damaged wood. Okay, so okay, see you guys. So hope you like this video for now.